Kōrero mai, koe rā te whakahau e arahi ana I te kaupapa hauora wāhine ki roto I te tai tokerau e aro nui ai ngā wāhine ki o rātou hauora. Aha koa, ko te aro turuki I te rerenga putuputu o te toto, ko te aro turuki rānei I ngā tohu tuatahi o te mate pukupuku, o te aha atu rānei o te aha atu rānei. E marama pū ana te karere, ara, kau e tatari, kōrero mai, nei rā a Harata Brown.
This is our whare tangata. It is the boom.
Tia kina te whare tangata, te kuaha ki te ao mārama.
If it plants in here, it grows a pepe. Women, wāhine don't realise what they don't know, and they assume what is normal for them is normal, and it's not. So the purpose of this is to start the conversations. Our theme today was Kōrero mai, and that's what we want. Come and talk.
He karanga ki ngā wāhine kia tāwharautia te whare tangata me te hauora o te tinana o te wāhine.
So the whakamā or the past experiences, having bad experiences or feeling not being heard, that they can't come and ask again or access other people to talk to about it, is a real commonality among our whānau.
This is our Bessie model.
Ko tā te tauira nei he whakaatu I ngā tohu o te mate pukupuku ki roto I te uma o te wāhine.
I work with the underscreened and unscreened wāhine in our community. I try and encourage them to come along and get their breast screening done. Our rates have increased as well. We're up at 70% of our wāhine being screened, which is great because it's early detection saves your life.
Ki kai tāia nei toro ai te ratonga o te hauora o te hiku o te ika ki te hapori tonu, mai tēnei te whare o ngā hōia.
What we're seeing is a lot of our rangatahi as well, our young wāhine aren't coming to access talk around sexual health and well-being or accessing those supports just genuinely because it's not so open.
So we're seeing a lot of women putting up with abnormal uterine bleeding, that's bleeding from the womb, that is causing them difficulties in their lives. So we're trying to find solutions now in a more patient-friendly way.
Our long-term goal is to eliminate cervical cancer. And so by having HPV immunisation for our wāhine and also our young boys from the age of 9 up to 26, and also to have the HPV self-test is all helping to eliminate cervical cancer.
E mana ai te kōrero, te wāhine, te whenua, ora ai te tangata. Harata Brown, te Karere.